The canonical product of sum, logical product of all the max term for which value of function becomes 0 is called canonical product of sum. Here representing plus plus sign, but that will become in bracket form, and if we are multiplying that thing, so we are getting 0. That called a product of sum. Suppose the three max term of logical function y are a dash plus b dash plus c is there. Second, a dash plus b plus c dash. Third, a plus b plus c is there. So that decimal code are 650. It is reciprocal of sum of product. A, B, C, that will representing, I think in last example it will 7, but here the terms will change. Max term is there. So min term and max terms, we are knowing max terms. तो function ની complement અથવા uncomplement રૂપ વાળી વેરિયેબલ ની સમ ટર્મ ને max term કહેવામાં આવે છે. સમ ટર્મ એટલે જો અહીંયા સમેશન થાય છે, we can see in these functions. Here also summation will be there. Here also plus sign will be there. તો આ જે ટર્મ ભેગી થાય છે એને કહેવાય છે max term. And the logical product of all the max term for which value of function becomes 0. આ બધાની value 0 બનતી હોય તો it's called a canonical product of sum. Then POS can be shown as follows. આના પછીના રૂપમાં આપણે જોઈશું. પણ product of sum ની આપણે વાત કરીએ છીએ તો એમાં 1 representing as a complement form and 0 will representing uncomplement form. Dash and without dash. We are saying here that function we are representing by the help of ascending order. Here we are writing 0, 5, 6. Bracket must 0, 5, 6. Here M0 we are writing. Here M5 is there and M6 is there. So M0 that means ABC. Where is ABC? Here is that. Decimal of equivalent we are getting from this function max terms a plus b plus c is 0. Now we want to getting M5. So M5 5 decimal is here. So you can representing these things a dash plus b plus c dash, and representation of M6 will be there. So a dash plus b dash plus c is here. The decimal number, equivalent decimal number is here. This is a max terms. Thank you very much all of you.